Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sophony Admin, and make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be first notified when I upload a video. Today's video going to be about this beautiful wig I am wearing right now. I'm going to show you guys how I did my bald cap and install the wig. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I'm learning how to do my own frontal. I'm going to use this wig cap I bought from my local beauty supply store, and I'm straightening it on my head. Now I'm making a hole on both sides of the cap and pull my ears out so the cap can lay flat. So now I'm going to use this got2b glue spray I bought from my local beauty supply store and spray it around my edges. Now I'm using a blow dryer to dry it out, and I'm on medium heat. So now my cap is stick down and I'm ready to cut the front part off. I am peeling it a little bit because I don't want my wig to sit on my forehead. Be careful when cutting the cap off, just take your time. I'm not going to use any makeup on my cap because I don't feel like it. You can put a little bit of foundation that goes with the skin tone and apply it with a beauty blender or a foundation brush. So now I'm going to use this glue called Forever Ultra Glue, and I'm going to use 3 layers of glue. Now I'm getting ready to put my wig on, and I'm using a small tooth comb to press it down, and I'm using the blow dryer while doing it. To cut the lace off, and I'm gonna start in the middle and do one side at a time. Y'all, look at this wig. Oh my god, I'm in love with this hair, you guys. It's really soft and smells good. I was going to do a side part, but I changed my mind. This is my favorite part right here. If you don't have a hot comb yet, you should get one right now, sis. This is what's going to help you lay the wig flat and stay in shape, honey. So my camera died. I had to do my baby hair off camera. So if you guys want to see what I use on this hair and how I lay my baby hair, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up.